we have just finished our newest build, our newest signature model, the Nomadic. Funny story about this van, this is actually the second van that we built for this client. Unfortunately, the client got in a pretty bad accident and asked us to rebuild entirely a new van for her. But after living in a van for over a year, she realized that she wanted to change the layout. So from a custom layout, she asked us to build one of our signature Nomadic model. The van is built on the Dodge ProMaster 3500 extended body high roof, so it is very spacious, especially with that layout, even though there is a full wet bath inside. The design is very light in colors with a lot of white and shade of blues, which makes it even more comfortable. I hope you like it, let's check it out. The client realized how important it is to actually have a ladder to go on your roof and clean your solar panels whenever you need to. But the van doesn't have any roof rack and roof rack ladders, so we added this universal backdoor ladder that works really well on vans. This van comes with a Rocky Mount bike rack that actually goes on the hitch of the van. So this is for me one of the best options if you're planning to travel with bikes. Instead of adding the bike on the bike rack that's mounted on the back doors, which means that it's very heavy for you to put the bike on the back doors, this one goes on the hitch and it actually swivels on the side to allow you to open your back doors even though you have bikes on your rack. On the left side of the garage you have all the plumbing section with the outdoor shower, the water panel, the gravity fill. Between the back doors you have the strings for the shower curtains. The shower mat is attached on magnet under there. On the passenger side you have our now standard EcoFlow system. This van comes with the 500 amp hour battery. This is a very compact system which allows you to have a lot of storage under your bed. So now that I'm starting to take an outdoor shower myself, because it's Michigan and it happens pretty much all the time, let's head inside and have a look at the inside of the van so I can actually finish this tour dry. Now that we are cozy inside the van, let's start with the back. This van comes with a full queen size bed, queen size mattress in the back of the van with a 12 volt max air fan, two bunk windows with custom shades. In front of the bed you have two access doors to the bed wall to give you access to the garage, with two benches on the driver's side and passenger side for storage. These two benches actually have a piece that goes in the middle to turn the bench into an extra bed for a kid or a bench. In between the two benches you have a push pull-out table. Yep. That's actually a very long push pull-out table. In the kitchen area on the passenger side you have a 120 volt microwave, a 12 volt fridge combo freezer on the driver's side with countertop on both sides, a sink with a fully rotating faucet, storage under the sink, and right behind the driver's seat you have a full wet bath with a full shower and a separate tiny toilet. The van also has a second vent system, 12 volt max air fan system above the kitchen area to create a real airflow between the two fans. This van being a ProMaster, it comes with a headliner shelf above the passenger and the driver's side and the driver's seats, which give you a lot of storage. The van has a removable shoe storage between the driver's seat and the shower. Now all of our cabinets are flushed with the doors. That's a new way for us to do the cabinets, to give you extra space inside your van, and it gives it a seamless and very nice look. The countertop comes with a flip-up countertop to extend and give you more space when you're cooking. On the backsplash on the passenger side you have all of the 12 volt outlet and 120 volt outlet, the different switches, the water heater switch, the EcoFlow battery monitor touchscreen, the water gauge, and the air heater digital control. The client wanted to go with the push lock RV latches, which is actually a very good system if you want to really secure that the upper cabinets are not gonna open while you're driving. It's also a nice feature as it doesn't stick outside of the cabinet box. Under the sink you have storage for the mobile cook stove that you can take out and put on your countertop whenever you want to cook. There is also a magnetic box screen on both the sliding door and the back doors of the van. Something that we did differently and that I really like, The client wanted to go with something really functional for the shower door, so she went with the self-cleaning shower door, the retractable shower door, which takes very little space instead of these heavy custom shower doors. But she was not a big fan of the look of it, so she asked the designer if it was possible to come up with a custom shower curtains in front of it, and that really gives it like the best of the two worlds. I think you guys will agree that this Nomadic layout is a very comfortable layout. It gives you a lot of hallway space, it's not claustrophobic, you also get a lot of cooking space, a very comfortable seating area. You still get a full shower inside with a toilet inside. This layout works even better if it's built on an extended model, whether it's a Ford extended, a Dodge extended, or a Sprinter extended. We get a lot of very positive feedbacks from clients that live in it full times, and we are very proud about this layout.